What's up, guys? I'm Winchester. Today we're on CaseHug and we got $28,000 balance, guys. Welcome to my video. Before the video, guys, I remind you we are giving a giveaway that we are giving you $250 worth of Huntsman knife lore. If you want to join this giveaway, you all have to do is use my code Winchester and deposit minimum $3 with this code. So click the here and use my code Winchester. It gives you 20% deposit bonus when you do use this code. So let's go now video. I will try a case battle today. Create one. 2 versus 2. Let's add some cases now. So I will try the snake case 5 times, lord case 10 times, lab case 5 times, and galaxy case 5 times, arabesque 1, redstone 1, and let's see, arcana 5 times and 1 quantum. Let's create it for a $6,000 and I will go on the terrorist side and play with random bot. Let's go. $6,000 worth of case battle. It starts. In the first one, we start good. $120 Glock. Let's go. And both sides got the crown. Let's roll. And talon knife. $2,200 talon knife Doppler. That's amazing, but they hit this crown again. And that's not looking good. Huntsman knife, $700. So they are really close right now. Okay, let's go. Now, the $200 case, they got now floor. They are closing the gap right now. Digital print streams and AK-47 Empress. Okay, we hit the Lauren Tiger Tooth. Gloves. He got a $1,000 in for A1S. I didn't want that. We are losing. Now once you have Tiger Tooth, we are losing, bro. I need to hit more. Bowie knives, $500. Prince Stream and Eagle. Tiger Tooth, Navajo knife. They are hitting good skins. They are hitting good skins, and the difference is like $1,000. So we have to hit something good. I really want to hit a crown right now. Let's see. Oh, they hit the crown again. Like, I don't want it. And they get a Desert Eagle worth of $650. We need to hit that crown. We need to hit. Otherwise, we're gonna lose it. They are leading with $2,000 difference right now. AK-47s, Ice Cold, $67 print stream, Diggle, AVP here, full injector, you got a AVP Asimo, Shoutout Aegis, Crimson Web, and we got the crown for a $800 case. Give me something good. Give me butterfly. It's a butterfly knife Doppler. It is $6,000. Bro, I paid. Oh my god. Oh my god. We got the battle's value, bro, in just one case. That's amazing. Now I should have. We're gonna win this case battle. That's amazing. Oh my god. And the second royal case. Let's roll. And a paragraph knife. $360. Bro, we won it. We won it very good. Oh my god, look at that money, dude. Look at that total money. And we are winning with $11,000. That was a hell of a good video for us, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Goodbye.